Governor ki report sigi matung ina de khoi ki mase thabuk ta ta chena onthok ta bara de khoni yengi bu ta bani ma gi agenda mana hari ba theory sing mana haji pit pukhali ba khanosing de ma waro se de am khajaba keno ne ko masina ta chena oram ta de mase IDP singi de mutta di laru pa bani aduga khoi ki Manipur ki budget ki matang jo hajik se yednari bani haba relic kem de leba Kogi actually now shingi the makta tongan bus supplementary budget hap to basi hajik charang na bamal lai bani adu hajik sarkar asina saning tana kogi mai papa sarkar ama oi kabni na hajik soy jam ki tongan bus supplementary budget ama kogi crore Lishing amani oil of the central government, the parliament, the Kangalakani, on a rich minister, Yunam Kamchana, so in Torokani, Aduga. How does it told me about Koi Sat Singi, the governor Piriva, health card Sava, the IDP Singi, the Torigo say, Hoi Karamadi Torambaya, Madu Mapung Pana, Pampo Ocean Maduga, IDP Singa Shekoi, I began Tirabane, Singi Shutam Gishu. Kogi tampakta lirba silina usingisu masi laikam sabam khandara ingkhaba ingkham khagi matam masida makoina maintain harassment oraga na makoi wakhan ma khanhom khandadra masa masu lai tambagi sana bagi setna bagi adagi family problem mayam je khanbada kharamadi khan thabam dabadagi masa matanda koi suicide tawdana thawai thagi ju kaya ma yaw khabane ba adu masi Sigumba, Makoda people could don't saba, Biba has a young people talking. Manipur labor, Sakar Katangai with a colleague, Manipur labor, civil society organization, I call you Mianasu, and I'm not talking Makoda, Tengwang from Tokran, a colleague, Aduga. Mashi, Mana Governor Piriva, what name was it? Tianjagrovni, Karagana, Tormota, the hand of Pagani, I